Welcome to the research facility. All your behavioral data will be videotaped for further research. Please follow the instructions throughout the process.
Just so you know, during the experiment, if you get your head squashed by the door, the insurance company just can't care less about it. Now, little pup, let's test your observation abilities. Take a look around. Nice. Let me just open this cage for you.
Illegal intrusion detected. Releasing Terminator 3000. Terminator 3000 activated. Defense system now online.
Oh, Mad Cat is here. Run. Come on, run faster.
Illegal intrusion detected. Releasing Terminator 3000. Terminator 3000 activated. Defense system now online.
Phew. Take some time to catch your breath. You see, next up, you need to make a jump to the right side. A little run-up will make you jump further. See that cube thingy over there? Pick it up and bring it to the pressure sensor outlined in yellow. Oh, and keep away from the glass case in the middle. See that lever thingy? Just pull it to close the door. Come on, give it a go. Now lift this white cube thingy and throw it across the gap.
Attention to all security guards. Illegal intrusion detected in the monitoring room.
Okay, now drag the lizard onto the pressure
Organism
sensor.
verification successful.
Well, what you waiting for? Come on, throw some punches. Let's see what you got. This is Owlbert. Mutant. 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 Owlbert. This fella looks just like you. He is Nikola Tesla. Now, little pup, climb that net over there and get to the next room.
Attention to all security guards. Illegal intrusion detected in the power room.
Don't fret. You can climb back up from the ladder on the left. See that shovel? Just...
Attention to all security guards. Illegal intrusion detected in the monitoring room.
Oh, snap. A lizard duo this time. Time to prove your fighting skills. Ooh.
Organism verification successful.
Illegal intrusion detected. Releasing Terminator 6000. Terminator 6000 activated. Defense system now online.
Run faster, faster.
Your IQ test has ended. Now evaluating. The overall IQ score is 170.
Okay, little pup. I guess your IQ is just fine. See that lever over there? Come on. Pull it, then take a leap. I've got some dog cookies for you.